Sa totoo lang, anything you throw at VP Inday, kinokorek ng tadhana. So they really should stop trying this. They really cannot do this. It's amazing how si ES says, di pwede si VP Inday, pero pwede si BBM. Don't let them control the narrative. Here's my problem with many people who are frustrated. Unang-una, they're saying that partly to discourage you. Of course, they're saying that to get an audience, they're saying that to try to control the narrative, and also, bonus for them is, they're saying that para mapagod tayo. Huwag kayong mapapagod at huwag na kayong masyadong manggigigil. Be angry for a while, and after that, use cold, calculating precision in answering these things. Do not let them gain an inch. Pag nagsasalita sila ng ganyan, ilabas ninyo. Why does that argument fail? Ano ba ang kinatatakutan nitong mga to? And yes, ES Bersamin has no leg to stand on saying na hindi dapat makaupo si VP Inday. Anong sasabihin nila? Corrupt si VP Inday? Pero bulag-bulagan sila dun sa halos trilyon na flood control projects that have happened under their watch. It's amazing how si ES says, di pwede si VP Inday, pero pwede si BBM. Actually, sa lahat ng paratang nila kay VP Inday, nafa-fact check sila. Kasi unang-una, anong sinasabi nila? VP Inday corrupt. Lumabas ang flood control. VP Inday sira ulo. Ay, lumabas ang sagot ni Senadora Amy. Sa totoo lang, anything you throw at VP Inday, kinokorek ng tadhana. So they really should stop trying this. They really cannot do this. Hindi nga nila mabasag-basag yung mga self-proclaimed na DDS. Self-proclaimed kasi that's the only way you're identifiable, di ba? Grabe kung makasalsal dun sa sorry for the word, sa mga sa ilang milyon kay VP Inday. And that's okay with me. But the problem is, hindi pa nga sinasabi ng COA yan eh. Pero itong mga to, trillion na, may saksi na, ang dami-dami ng documentation, in-announce pa ng ICI na mayroon ng mga kakasuhan. Bulag pa yan? Ano ba? Diba? And wag nilang sasabihin na kasalanan ni Duterte yan because these things na iniimbestigahan ng ICI, they're happening and they have happened under BBM's watch. Wala silang argumento sa totoo lang.